Ciao, buongiorno from Mike's Organic Cafe. This is my recreation of delicious Italian tiramisu cheesecake using healthy organic ingredients. This has turned out to be my biggest time-consuming recipe, so stay until the end for my verdict on how it went. And I broke it down into sections. I hope it made it easier for you to follow along. First, start by making the chocolate crust. Gather 1 cup of almond flour, melted dark chocolate buttons 55%, 3 tablespoons erythritol sugar, half a cup unsalted butter melted. Step 1. Preheat the oven to 190 degrees Celsius or 375 Fahrenheit. Then in your dough mixer, combine the almond flour, melted chocolate, erythritol and melted butter until the crumbs are moistened. Step 2. Place a sheet of scrunched up baking paper onto your baking tray, then pour the mixture in, then shake the mixture gently side to side and tap any air bubbles out, then place in the fridge to chill and set while preparing the filling. Next is for the tiramisu filling. You'll need to boil a medium to large pot of coffee, 3 packages cream cheese softened, 1 tub mascarpone cheese, 2 tablespoons unbleached white baker's flour or arrowroot flour, a 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt, 1 1/4 cups of erythritol, 3 tablespoons boiled coffee, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, I ran out but I have peppermint, 2 teaspoons ground coffee, 4 large eggs at room temperature. Step 3. Clean the dough mixer bowl or use a paper towel to wipe any excess chocolate off. Then use that bowl to beat the cream cheese, mascarpone, flour and salt until smooth and fluffy. It should take like 3 to 5 minutes. I interchange between attachments. The more solid one is best to begin with, then switch to the whisk attachment when the mix gets more loose. Step 4. You can see the mixture is fluffier once the cream cheese has melted with the other ingredients properly, so when it's done, add the sugar and beat again until smooth. Make sure you scrape the sides down and the inside of the whisk attachment so the mix can soften more and catch all of the sugar. Do this as many times as needed until it's all incorporated together. Step 5. Then add the boiled coffee, vanilla or peppermint extract and ground coffee, then mix on low just to combine, then add the eggs one at a time while the machine's still on, beating until blended. Step 6. Grab the chilled crust out of the fridge, then pour the filling onto it. If you have leftovers, fill the mini tart trays or make another cake altogether, or put it in the fridge for use another time. Bake until set, but the center still jiggles slightly. It may take between 45 to 50 minutes, so set the timer for 45 minutes, then check on the tiramisu. Step 7. When done, take it out of the oven, then place it to cool completely on a wire rack. Once cooled, cover and refrigerate for at least 8 hours. I know, what a head fuck, but believe me, the wait is worth it. Here is the tiramisu out of the fridge after 7 hours. It looks burnt, but the coffee deceives you, trust me. I already got scared, but organic ingredients never let you down. Third step is for the collagen protein whipped cream topping. 1 cup of cream, a 1/4 cup boiled coffee, 3 tablespoons brown erythritol sugar, a 1/4 cup collagen protein. Step 8. For the whipped cream topping, combine the cream, boiled coffee and powdered sugar and collagen protein in your dough mixer bowl and blend at high speed until it's stiff. I ran out of powdered monk fruit sweetener, so I got brown erythritol and blended it into a fine powder, then added it to the cream. Fill a piping bag with the cream mixture, then pipe the cream along the top edge of the cheesecake, or maybe spread the cream all over the top of it. Get a nozzle to do big cream chunks. Then finally, the cacao garnish. 1 tablespoon of cacao powder with a fine sift. Step 9. When ready to serve, grab a small sift, dusting the top with cacao powder to coat the top of the cheesecake. Cut and serve immediately and enjoy with a cup of freshly brewed cafe and refrigerate any leftovers. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Be seeing you!